What's up, everybody? Welcome to November 2020 Maths Paper 1 Grade 11. It was a linear pattern where we have to solve questions from 3.1 up until 3.2. Alright, I am Gaston Mapala. Welcome to this one. Now let's have a look at 3.1. The first question there is 3.1.1. It says they are given this linear pattern. Determine the formula for the nth term of the pattern. Right, okay, so now we are gonna come here and say the 9 5 1. So 5 minus 9 is going to give us minus 4. 1 minus 5 is going to give us minus 4. Now they want us to find the general formula of the pattern. Okay, so we know that we have got Tn is equals to A, which is on our formula sheet there, n minus 1 d. So this is d, therefore our first term here, a rather, let me put it nicely, it must not look like 9. There is our a there, so a is equals to 9 plus n minus 1 d, it's minus 4. Therefore we're gonna multiply throughout with that minus 4 to remove the bracket. It's gonna be minus 4n plus 4. Therefore Tn is going to be given by 9 plus, yes, it's going to be given by 13 minus 4n. all right, and that's how you would deal with a 3.11. okay, 3.1.2, it says that calculate the value of T7, which means n is equals to 7. Therefore on this equation here we're going to substitute n is equals to 7, which is minus 4 7. Therefore if you put this in our calculator, you should be able to get an answer. Of minus 1.5. Okay, moving right along. 3.1.3. what does it say? They said determine the number of terms in the pattern. Okay, so this value that is given here is the last term of the pattern. Therefore it means that Tn, we don't know which is what is going to be negative 143. So therefore we need to find the n value here. So in our equation there we are going to say 13 minus 4n. Take 13 to this side, minus 4 minus 13 is equals to negative 4n. Therefore we need to divide by 4 on both sides in order to find n. Therefore n is going to be equal to, if you punch this our calculator is going to give you n of 39. Therefore it means you need 39. The total number of terms on this pattern is only 39. okay, so let's move on to 3.2. okay, question 3.2, it says that given that in a linear pattern the 16th term is that and then the 40th term is that, which term is negative 1? okay, so what you are given here, let's just see. It was given that n is equals to 16. Therefore when n is equals to 16, the term number 16 is given by 38, and therefore when it's equals to 41, the T41 is equal to 113. okay, so therefore now what we can do here, we are going to come here into our equation and say if this is our, it symbolizes our Tn plus b. Therefore what we are going to have here, we are going to have 38, which is that one, where n is 16a plus b. This will give us our first equation, and therefore we are going to have 113 is equal to 41 plus 41a, is it a? Yeah, 41a rather, 41a plus b. Okay, now we're just gonna come here and solve this simultaneously. You are gonna say equation 1 minus equation equation 2 rather, minus equation 1. Doesn't matter. Okay, so therefore you are going to say, I think I did them the other way around there, but yeah, you are going to say, you are going to have 75 based on my calculator is equals to 25a, then b minus b will be 0. So divide everything by 25 in order to get the value of a. Divide everything by 25, which is going to give us 3. Therefore a is equals to 3. Then you can substitute a into equation 1, sub a into 1 in order to get b. Okay, so it's gonna be 38 is equals to 16 times 3 plus b. Moving so quickly, guys. Okay, and then therefore you are gonna come here, say 38 minus 16, 3 is equals to b. Okay, so therefore b is equal to negative 10. All right, so having that, you are gonna come here and say, what did they ask us? The number of terms. Okay, so therefore we're given that you're gonna come here, say Tn therefore is equal to a, which is 3n minus 10. All right, great stuff. So now they said which term is equals to negative 1. That's the question. So it means our Tn is negative 1. Therefore you are gonna look for n, where you're gonna have minus 1 plus 10 is equals to 3n, where now this is going to be 9 divided by 3, n is equal to n is equals to 3. And that's how you would deal with this one, guys. I know I was moving a bit quick, but if you didn't understand this question, please let me know so that we can repeat it separately and do this question alone. I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next upload, where we'll be doing question 4s from November 2022 up until 2020.